Good evening, everyone. I am Marielle Inchalmuta from BSF English Tribune, and I will be explaining the story of Sir Walter Scott. Sir Walter Scott, 1771 to 1832, was a famous Scottish writer, poet, and historian. He is known for writing stories set in the past, especially about Scotland history. His most famous books include Waverley, 1814, Ivanhoe, 1819, and Rob Roy, 1817. He also wrote poems like The Lady of the Lake, 1810. Scott's work helped people learn about Scottish cultures and history. He was very important in bringing attention to Scotland's past and making it known around the world. Here is a short background on each of these famous novels by Sir Walter Scott. Waverley, 1814. Waverley is considered Scott's first major novel and the beginning of the historical fiction genre. The story is set during the Jacobite Rising of 1745 in Scotland. It follows Edward Waverley, a young Englishman who gets caught up in a conflict between supporters of the Stuart dynasty, the Jacobite, and the British government. The novel explored themes of loyalty, identity, and the clash between tradition and modernity. Ivanhoe, 1819. Ivanhoe is set in 12th century England during the reign of Richard the Lionheart and the Norman conquest. The story centers on the Saxon knight Wilfred of Ivanhoe who returns from the crusade to find his land and title under threat. The book features knight chivalry and the conflict between Saxon and Normans. It also introduces iconic characters like Robin Hood. The novel is a mix of romance, adventure, and historical drama. Rob Roy, 1817. Rob Roy tells the story of the legendary Scottish outlaw and folk hero, Rob Roy MacGregor, set in early 18th century Scotland. The novel follows the young and named Frank Osbaldiston, who became entangled with Rob Roy and his struggles against the English and the ruling class. The book portrays the Scottish highlights and the challenges of the time, with Rob Roy depicted as a hero fighting for justice and his people right. The Lady of the Lake, 1810, is a narrative poem by Sir Walter Scott set in the Scottish Highlands. The story is based on medieval Scottish legend and centers around the life of a beautiful woman named Ellen Douglas. She lived in the remote Loch Katrine, and the plot revolves around her love life and the battles for her hand in marriage. The main characters include Ellen Douglas, the Lady of the Lake, James James Fitz, James, a noble knight who falls in love with her, and Roderick Dhu, a Scottish clan leader who also loved Ellen. The poem featured themes of love, loyalty, and conflict, with a backdrop of Scotland's clan struggles and the beauty of the landscape. It is one of Scott's most famous works and helped popularize Scottish folklore. And that's all. Thank you for watching.